Music is a natural and powerful part of being human. It's been around in some form for pretty much all of human history. We use it to tell stories, express emotions, let loose, and even create bonds of unity with other members of our human family. Not surprisingly, over time, cultures, peoples, and countries around the world began to write music specifically for the purpose of honoring their nations. This season, join us in a celebration of patriotic songs from all over the world by entering the Piano Marvel Patriotic Challenge. Win prizes like an Amazon gift card or a personalized Piano Marvel t-shirt with your country's flag and your name on it. To earn entries into the drawing, play any of the pieces in the challenge, which are marked with a golden ticket icon, and earn at least 96%. The more songs you perfect, the higher your chances are of winning, so go crazy. Enjoy the celebration of culture, history, and patriotism. And of course, as always, have fun.